Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel FinStop. Now I am going to tell you about the top 5 large cap mutual funds for 2021. Friends, before going into this video, I suggest you to know about the basics of mutual fund. I have made a separate video on it. I am giving the video link in my description box and also in the I-bar. If you haven't watched them, please go and watch it. Let's get into the topic. Before investing in large cap mutual funds, you should know how much money you have to invest. You should invest 50 to 60% of your investment in large cap mutual funds. Friends, large cap mutual fund manager will invest your money in large cap companies. These large cap companies are very well established and they are financially stable and they are more safer. Let's see what are the top 5 large cap mutual funds for 2021. These are Axis Blue Chip Fund, Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund, Kotak Blue Chip Fund, Canara Robeco Blue Chip Equity Fund, Edelweiss Large Cap Fund. Friends, all these funds are growth type and direct type only. Friends, now I am going to compare these large cap mutual funds one by one with my selection criteria, and I am going to give them ranks along with the points, and in the end I will tell you which one is best to invest in 2021. Before going further, I request you to please like this video and also subscribe my YouTube channel. The first step, selection based on CAGR 1 year. CAGR means compounded annual growth rate. Friends, the more the CAGR, the best the mutual fund company is. Here you can see the CAGR for 1 year. Here the rank 1 goes to Kotak Blue Chip Fund with 69.02%. Rank 2 goes to Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund with 68.25%. Rank 3 goes to Edelweiss Large Cap Fund with 64.27%. Rank 4 goes to Canara Robeco Blue Chip Fund with 61.21%. Rank 5 goes to Axis Blue Chip Fund with 52.94%. Friends, for the rank 1 I am given 10 points, for rank 2 I have given 9 points, for rank 3 I have given 8 points, for rank 4 I have given 7 points, rank 5 I am given 6 points. Similarly, for the next selection criteria also I am giving the points for the ranks. Let's see the next selection criteria. Selection criteria based on CAGR 3 years. The more the CAGR, the best the mutual fund company is. Here you can see the CAGR for 3 years. The rank 1 goes to Canara Robeco Blue Chip Fund with 18.28%. Rank 2 goes to Axis Blue Chip Fund with 16.87%. Rank 3 goes to Kotak Blue Chip Fund with 15.25%. Rank 4 goes to Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund with 15.12%. Rank 5 goes to Edelweiss Large Cap Fund with 13.82%. Let's see the next selection. Selection based on CAGR for 5 years. Now we have seen for CAGR for 1 year, 3 years. Now we are going to see CAGR for 5 years. These are the percentages. The rank 1 goes to Canara Robeco Blue Chip Fund with 18.49%, which is exceptional. Rank 2 goes to Axis Blue Chip Fund with 18.17%. This is also very good. Rank 3 goes to Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund with 17.56%. Rank 4 goes to Kotak Blue Chip Fund with 15.52%. Rank 5 goes to Edelweiss Large Cap Fund with 15.51%. Let's see the next selection. Selection based on NAV growth rate. Max. I have considered max chart pattern of net asset value from 2013 to 2021 May. I have given the NAV growth rate here. Friends, the more the NAV growth rate, the best the mutual fund company is. Here you can see rank 1 goes to Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund with 285%, which is beyond exceptional, and rank 2 goes to Axis Blue Chip Fund with 258.96%. Rank 3 goes to Canara Robeco Blue Chip Fund with 227.62%. Rank 4 goes to Edelweiss Large Cap Fund with 215.83%. Rank 5 goes to Kotak Blue Chip Fund with 209%. Let's get to the next selection. Selection based on expense ratio. Friends, Expense ratio is the amount of expenses incurred for the mutual fund company, like electricity bill, their employee salaries, their furniture bill, their land cost, their building cost, etc. These expenses occurred to the mutual fund company will be taken from your returns only. So the expense ratio should be very less. So the company with expense ratio least is considered as the best mutual fund company. Here you can see 0.45% is least. Then rank 1 goes to Canara Robeco Blue Chip Fund. Rank 2 goes to Axis Blue Chip Fund with 0.5%. Rank 3 goes to Mirra Asset Large Cap Fund with 0.53%. Rank 4 goes to Kotak Blue Chip Fund with 0.92%. Rank 5 goes to Edelweiss Large Cap Fund with 1.04%. Next, selection criteria. Selection based on exit load. Friends, these are the amount of percentage. Exit load means it is the percentage which will be deducted from your returns if you exit or close the mutual fund within the lock-in period. Generally, if you close the mutual fund after 1 year, these companies will not charge a single rupee. So here you can see all are having 1%. So everyone has been given rank 1 with 10 points. Let's get to the next selection. Selection based on AUM. AUM means asset under management. Generally, the mutual fund houses with asset under management less than 10,000 crore is considered best, since these mutual fund houses can efficiently manage their portfolio and they can give you good returns. Whereas the mutual fund houses with AUM greater than 10,000 crores has a disadvantage. They can only retain 35% of the AUM value with them, and they are forced to invest remaining 65% of AUM into market, even though market is at higher levels. So they may not be able to produce a good returns. So here you can see the mutual fund houses with less than 10,000 crores have given rank 1. See, Kotak Blue Chip Fund has got rank 1 with 2,411 crores. Canara Robeco Blue Chip Fund has got rank 1 with 2,476 crores. Edelweiss Large Cap Fund has got rank 1 with 235 crores. And I have given rank 2 to those who has AUM greater than 10,000 crores. Mirra Asset Large Cap Fund has got rank 2 with 23,993 crores. Axis Blue Chip Fund has got rank 2 with 25,183 crores. Then now I have calculated all the points and I have given the overall ranking. The rank 1 goes to Canara Robeco Blue Chip Fund with 65 points, whereas rank 2 goes to two mutual funds, that is Axis Blue Chip Fund, Mirra Asset Large Cap Fund with 61 points, and rank 3 goes to Kotak Blue Chip Fund with 58 points. Rank 4 goes to Edelweiss Large Cap Fund with 53 points. Friends, out of the 5, Canara Robeco Blue Chip Fund is the best, and second best are Axis Blue Chip Fund and Mirra Asset Large Cap Fund. You can invest any 3 of them, and before investing you also search for the portfolio of the mutual fund house and see whether the mutual fund house is trustworthy or not, and also know about the mutual fund house company and its policies, and check whether the portfolio manager is well experienced or not. Then a small disclaimer, guys, please read all the documents carefully and please do proper research and consult your financial advisor before taking any investment decision. Guys, I am going to make in next videos a top 5 small cap funds, top 5 mid cap funds and top 5 debt funds. Like that I am going to make in my future videos. If you like my explanation, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for important notification. Thank you, friends.